Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Each world system also contains an equal number of worlds. Those world systems in the ocean of worlds have various resting places, various shapes and forms, various substances and essences, various locations, various entryways, various adornments, various boundaries, various alignments, various similarities, and various powers of maintenance. Some of these world systems rest on seas of gigantic lotuses. Some rest on seas of jewel flowers of boundless forms. Some rest on seas of ornaments of treasures from repositories of all pearls. Some rest on seas of perfume. Some rest on seas of all flowers. Some rest on seas of crystal webs. Some rest on seas of swirling light. Some rest on seas of enlightening beings' jeweled crowns. Some rest on seas of the bodies of all the various living beings. Some rest on diamonds emanating the sounds of the voices of all Buddhas. There are as many of these, if fully expounded, as atoms in an ocean of worlds. Some of these world systems are shaped like high mountains, some like rivers, some like whirls, some like whirlpools, some like wheel rims, some like altars, some like forests, some like palaces, some like mountain banners, some like all geometric figures, some like wombs, some like lotus blossoms, some like baskets, some like bodies of sentient beings, some like clouds, some like the distinguishing features of Buddhas, some like spheres of light, some like webs of various pearls, some like all doors, some like various ornaments. Their shapes, if fully told of, number as many as atoms in an ocean of worlds. As for the substances of these world systems, some are made of clouds of jewels of all quarters, some of multicolored flames, some of light beams, some of flames of precious scents, some of cotton flowers adorned by all jewels, some of images of enlightening beings.